My name is Dr. Calli Thompson. I'm a veterinarian at Northwestern Veterinary Hospital in Thunder Bay, and I'm here today with your veterinary tip of the week. A new issue for pet safety in Thunder Bay has been the emergence of ticks, specifically deer ticks, which can transmit Lyme's disease to your pet. So today we're going to talk a little bit about how to keep your pet safe and areas to check for ticks on your dog or your cat, actually. Ticks don't like to be in areas of your pet where there's a lot of movement and a lot of sunlight. They like sort of a quiet area and a dark area. And one of the really key areas to check on your dog is in and around the ears. So we want to lift, I'll show you on this side. We want to lift the ear up and take a peek in around the ear canal, separating the hair around that area, making sure that there's no ticks. The face too can be a bit of a challenging area. Sometimes ticks like to hang out in and around the muzzle and the mouth. So we're gonna check her lip margins really well, make sure we don't see any evidence of ticks there. We're gonna get Lily to stand up. The next two areas we want to check with her are going to be her armpits and her inguinal area in her groin. And a lot of times it's hard to see the ticks there, but feeling is probably, and you're using your hands, are probably the best tool that you can use to feel for any little lumps or bumps, and those can be indications that there's a tick on your dog in that area. So the first thing that you want to do if you do find a tick is isolate the area. You might need to shave a little bit of hair around there so you can see very well. And you want to remove it from your dog as soon as possible. The best way to do that, you can use tweezers, you can use special instruments designed to remove the ticks. If you're in an area where you don't have that on hand, just getting as close to the dog's skin as you can, giving the head of the tick a pinch and then pulling backwards. That's going to allow you to get as much of the tick out of the dog as you can, and you want to try not to squeeze the body of the tick so you don't squeeze any disease that's in that tick back into your dog. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Dr. Calli Thompson, and we'll be back in a few weeks with more veterinary health tips.